Set yourself apart from competition by creating an elevated professional client experience that simplifies admin for both of you. That's where the client portal comes in. It's the client-side view of your project workspace that makes you look more professional and keeps all of your communication in one easy-to-navigate place. It provides your client with a simple overview of what is going on and streamlines the admin on your end. The client portal shows a timeline of your interactions with your client through HoneyBook, emails, files such as proposals, contracts, etc., past meetings, payments, and additional project details. Let's compare your view to the client portal view. Your clients are able to see the tabs for activity feed, files, payments, and details, including project name, collaborators, and the cover picture. Sensitive information like your private notes and admin actions, so anything in this box to the right are for your and your team's eyes only. Your clients don't have access to your templates, automations, or any other admin actions in your account or project workspace. What they can do is use the portal to find and access files, upload documents or images, make payments, or change their payment information, schedule meetings, and also respond to your emails. This is in addition to being able to do all of that over email. You can share the client portal when onboarding a new client directly from the project workspace by either inviting them over email or sending them a link to it. The first time you share the client portal, make sure you send it as an invite over email so that your client can set up their account and password information. After that, you can send them a link to it and they won't be surprised by the login page. They can also reset their password at any point if they forget it. You can also share the link or send an email invite from the company settings space. That's also where you'll be able to customize the login page by changing page background color and deciding whether to show your logo or not. Please note that your client will not be notified in any way that the portal exists until you directly invite them to the portal or send them an email or file through HoneyBook. Now it's your turn. Share the client portal with your first client or test it with a friend to see it in action. And if you have any questions, check out our help center for more step-by-step instructions.